Wall Street pays sick dough in crypto. And if you want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto, hit that like, subscribe, because we going on a ride and we going to the moon, and we're going soon. If you pay attention to what's going on today, we have some stuff to talk about. I'm a miserable prick. I hurt my foot. Yes. My leg is, my ankle is shot. If I had to run right now, I'll be fucked. Let's get into the charts. This is why I haven't been on much, but it's all right. We're here, right? I'm here for you. What are we looking at, Pete? Wall Street, what are we looking at? Hit that like, subscribe, baby. We're going somewhere, right? We talk about this every day. Well, what are we looking at here? Every time I'm here, I just want to go over it. I just want everyone to see it. As we're going into the new candle right now, we're getting a new candle, so we probably should be there. But what was I saying here? Every time we're here, we go up. Here we go up. Here we go up. Here we go up. You see the difference? Here we go up. Relative strength index, up, up, up. I know this is annoying. Up, up, up. I sound crazy. Bitcoin closed the candle. We know. Ethereum closed the candle. I'm starting to see what's going on, but there's a lot of stablecoin action. There's a lot of things missing. So let's get rid of the relative strength index and see what happened immediately. All right. So immediately on the forwardly, everything's going to change. We're immediately going down. Okay. So this is what I seen happen before on the relative index chart. That fall down and then that upward W. What do we got here? Well, this may be what happens. This is my prediction. This is Ethereum. We're going to get to Bitcoin next. I think right about there would be my bottom, but it can't really do that. But that's possible into the June 1st. If you notice, this is the June 1st time. Right now we got, let's see, so we do that. Then we go to the hourly. Let's take a peek. What does it look like on the hourly? Price is falling. Okay, so it's clearly falling. If you notice, it's like a downward M on the hourly, so that's kind of something I see here. But that was already established here. See it? That's a downward M, downward sloping M. Make that red. It's all disgusting right now. I'm sorry about the not being so neat, but I want everyone to pay attention that this candle closed. Then zoom in. Pay attention to what's going on, and if you see, well, shit, we're coming down here. If we break through this, it's going to be. See, this is what should happen. But look at these candles here in the hourlies. How many hours have we been consistently going down? Well, let's take a peek. This is the hourly candle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 6 continuous candles going down. 6 hours of falling like Tom Petty, free falling. Free falling. Oh, man, let's take a peek. So the forwardly looks good. The hourly, let's go to the weekly, right? Because this is what we do. All right, so this is what I thought I was going to get. We're going to continue to get this. The weekly was bullish, so this is kind of blowing my mind. We have 7 days until the weekly is over. Well, guess what? We just got the new weekly. That's why this works this way. That's what this is. What's the price of Bitcoin? We're falling. 35,004. So we're definitely falling. Let's get to the Bitcoin price right here. I see some falling action. It's very clear. It's very simple. This candle here is the 15 minutes. So we just got a 4. So this is the 15 minute. Every candle should look like this right now. That's what all my candles should look like. Go to the hourly. Go to the forwardly. All right, so they're all the same wick going down. This is what happens on the weekly. The ending of the weekly, the candles are all the same. So we got our one green candle on the week, even though we were falling for 2 weeks down. You have to pay attention to this. This is what's going to happen here. And I see what's happening with the Bitcoin price. We're sitting here fighting, and now we have what? We have one shitty green candle that represented what? Not much. But we did fall for 2 weeks. So what's going to happen is this red candle is going to turn green. I do believe it's going to take a little bit of time. Let's get rid of this shit out of here. We know 36.3 is a special number. 36.3, 36.5. This is a very, very, very special number to me. This would be nice if we can get this relative strength index chart to come up here. Let's pay attention. We got the Bitcoin dominance. We need to go over to Bitcoin dominance. That's always important. Bitcoin dominance needs to be above the 50. We do speak that. We do always speak about that on my channel for you to understand that we are bullish. Now, I see a 35.8 that is telling me something. That's the closest we've been getting back to 36,000 in a hot minute. That's kind of good. I do like that action. Let's get to the 50. I'm trying to pay attention right now. I want to see. Hold on. Let me get my big ass head in there. Hi. And if you have not hit the like and subscribe and you want to go on a ride, please hit that like button. I'm in a good mood. I hurt myself and I'm still in a pretty good mood, right? That's awesome to be able to do that. Where did we hit this? 50. That's what I wanted to see. 50 right there. The last time we've been there was April 26th, and we were falling. So was my ankle, and so was I last night. Did anybody ever watch this? Let's just see 1 second. You're going to piss your pants if anyone doesn't understand what I'm talking about. I don't even know if I'm allowed to play this. I really don't even know if I'm allowed to play this. I'm not going to lie. If it gets taken down, I don't even give a damn. This was me yesterday in flip-flops.
I'm sure he'll fall, but I don't think we're lucky enough to have him break his neck.
He went down. He went down. I was on an extension ladder. I was in flip-flops like an idiot, and this is what happened to me. I swear, I kid you not. Exactly what happened to me, and he was lucky. He was lucky. I didn't do that. No. Nah, that's not what I did. Unfortunately, mine was much worse. I fell so hard, I broke my big toe. I fell so hard that my toenail, it's swollen. I really should be showing feet. I don't want to get Alex excited, Alex. Speaking of that, I need to get some people, let them know we're live doing the 8 o'clock candle. Where are you? We are live. What are you doing? They probably know, but listen. So we're going to go over this. When was the last time we were at the 50? That was important for the Bitcoin dominance. That was when we were at the April 26th. So April 26th, unfortunately for you, was the last time that you were able to see some type of dominance above the 50 ting. We're bullish, even though, what were we doing? Well, this is the weekly. Could you imagine how sick this looks? Look how sick this weekly is. What a sick bunch of weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like what? 2 months of going down in dominance for Bitcoin, over 2 months. Ladies and gentlemen, pay attention to that. That is going to play a huge role on our way to 100 motherfucking K. And if you've noticed, we're getting bigger. There's some bullish action here. We're hitting the 35.8. We're going to, if we can break through this 30, let's get to some real sticks here now. This is what we need to pay attention to. If you don't know what an upward W is, this is what an upward W looks like. This is what I pay attention to. We did this before the end of the month. I think we got a correction already. Could you imagine we got our correction already? Look at this. Pay attention to this shit. Now just imagine now, this is the 4-weekly. Each candle represents 4 hours. So each candle is really important if you would suggest that with me, or agree. I'm sorry, not suggest. Agree with me, concur. How do I buy SafeMoon? I wish I could fucking buy SafeMoon at this price. I'm so broke right now because I've been spending so much. Go to Bitmart. You can go to their own site. SafeMoon has their own site. TKO Hassan in the house. What's good, my brother? He's got a good mother. I just bought MATIC. The reason why MATIC is up here, I just bought some. I bought it at $1.85. I saw this thing coming alive. What am I talking about? I was talking about this. I was seeing this, and what I expect now is I expect to break through this price. This price here from MATIC, I just bought some. If you want me to show you the order, I'll show you the fucking order. I don't really give a shit. I just bought MATIC, and I'm an addict, and the bitch is going to the attic. I didn't buy a lot. 1,142 USD. You should be able to see this. This should be clear as day to be able to see. Seriously, this is no joke. Let me see if I can get that out of there. There it is, MATIC Polygon. I know you can see this. This is definitely decent. There's MATIC USD. I bought that at the $1.85 price. It's looking like a good move. Definitely a good move. What do we do here? We need to pay attention to this price. What is that price here where we get the resistance hardcore? $1.91. I've been hitting $1.91 on here, $1.90, and MATIC's been a pain in the ass. If you noticed that, you could definitely see that here. Pay attention. Very good. Definitely to mention. I'm getting in a good mood now. I'm starting to rhyme to my shit. I feel real good right now. For real. This is what I'm talking about. Get up here. This is why when I get on, I actually feel good. I'm not going to lie. I didn't want to do my technical analysis today. I'm not going to lie. I didn't want to come on. I didn't want to walk up the fucking steps because my shit is hurting so bad and feel so broken. I didn't want to come on. But you know what I said? I need to be on here for my team. My team needs me. They need to see what's going on. And what is going on is we're making money, honey, and I plan on jumping around like a bunny. We could be getting rid of this bullshit action. What's the bullshit action? The falls that we were getting, they were really dramatic. If you notice, we broke through the neckline, and then we got an inverted head and shoulders here. What's an inverted head and shoulders? Well, the head and shoulders pattern was bearish, and it became and flipped inverted. So what happened was we formed the head. So I had a shoulder that was down here, and then we just developed and made a bearish. So there it is. Now, if you don't see it, then that's, well, now you do. The shoulder, left shoulder, the head, and then the right shoulder, very bullish. This is a very bullish pattern. If you pay attention, we formed almost 2 cup and handles back to back. This is the 15. This is fucking weird looking. I'm sorry I did that because I actually made myself feel weird by looking at that. What are we forming? On the forward, we're forming a fucking cup and handle. I definitely see this. $1.90. This is the MATIC. MATIC, what is going on here? Holy shit. It didn't even get to, there's the cup and handle, right? Here's the cup. Right? And then the cup, the handle's right here on this downward spike. This is 4 hours. And then you get that action. Holy shit. And what is this? This is an upward W. That's, wow. I'm very bullish on MATIC. I'm very, very bullish on MATIC right now. I'm very glad I bought it. If you look, we're at 2,440 on there. We're almost 36,000 on. We're almost 36,000 on the Bitcoin price. That's pretty amazing. This is very interesting. I'm glad we went live. Hit that like, subscribe button. Bitcoin, you're going to have to transfer money over. I mean, SafeMoon. Have you looked at Anchor yet? Yeah, I look at it every time, and I want to fucking throw up. Coinbase. Let's go over this news real quick. May 30th. Bitcoin mining difficulty declines by 16% as hash rate drops. Precedes China's crackdown note. Basically, what did I do? I clicked on here and got it. All right. Bitcoin's mining difficulty saw a notable decrease around Sunday midnight UTC time as the network's hash rate has dropped significantly, even before China's Bitcoin mining crackdown comment. On-chain data shows the network's mining difficulty adjusted to the 21.5 trillion at block height 685,440, which is a 16% drop compared to its recent all-time high record of May 13th. In fact, Bitcoin's average block production interval already increased to 11.8 minutes between May 13th, the last mining difficulty adjustment date. I remember that because we were falling. It sucked. We were bitching about it, what was happening. And then May 21st, when China's State Council iterated in a recent meeting that there needs to be a crackdown on Bitcoin and mining trading activities in China. That interval was 18% faster than Bitcoin's. Wasn't dropped, I apologize. That interval was 18% faster than the Bitcoin's network's intended 10-minute per blockchain. If nobody knew, it takes 10 minutes for the blockchain of Bitcoin to form that calculation of its blockchain for it to be able to solve the math problem and create the fiat currency through each way and hash it, which is the hash rate combined, including, which also makes the mining so important and why we are still, 19 million, 2 million left or 3 and change left to mine, which should be done in like 2040, 2072. It keeps getting longer and longer as the Bitcoin grows. But this is as reported previously, the computing power connected to Bitcoin has declined since May 13th due to a few factors. So pay attention to that. That's that's bearish. That's very bearish news. That is not good. If you pay attention, definitely to mother effing mention. This is scary, hairy, definitely contrary. I'm going to have to sell some of my shit. What am I talking about? I'm scared as shit. 190 MATIC. This is a fucking fake pump chump. This could, wow. There's two options. It's like the weatherman. I do feel like the weatherman. I know. We're either going to get this and then be happy as fuck, which I thought was coming. I thought it was definitely coming. We would definitely hit this here. $2.43. I would sell out probably right here. $2.32. I would dollar cost average out of MATIC. I'm doing Polygon MATIC for a reason because I'm a big fan of this right now. MATIC. Dollar cost average out. Just letting you know, you want to make some money, take some profits out. Nobody ever lost money taking profits. This is MATIC. Now, what am I talking about here? What's going on? This is what concerns the shit out of me, but this is not something. Nah, I'm not even going to go over it. I was going to say there was a W. There was a big M coming. You know how I know this is more bullish than ever right here? This is my personal opinion, is that we could have gotten this downward M. What am I talking about? That doesn't look like a downward M. Okay, so let me go onto the forwardly and show you what I seen that was scaring the shit out of the world. As we are looking very, 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 very right here. Oh, I did it again, son of a bitch. Right here. Up top. There it is. See the M? Right there. Now, what is that? That's a downward M. That's a fact. If you don't see it, I see it. I see the top here. This is all, technical analysis. We use this stuff. It will help you one day. If you pay attention to that mark there, you see that this price here is definitely lower. There's definitely a downward M. But what happened? Well, we got the rejection. You got the rejection. You got this W action. So therefore, I'm very bullish. This is the MATIC Polygon. I will definitely go run down and check my relative strength index chart immediately. Then I look at it and I go, oh, shit. Well, on the forwardly, I've never been more bullish in my life. If I look at this in the way that we look at W's and trend lines, we broke the neckline. This was a downward trend line. And then what happened here? Well, we formed that, and now that's where you get your W's. This is an upward W. No doubt in my mind, I'm very comfortable with this. You got to pay attention to this. It's clear as day. But some people may understand that the money action, the price will change. But we're in a new month. If you paid attention to the new month, let's go all the way to the bottom of the new month, May 4th. May the 4th motherfucking be with you. What did we do here on May 4th? Well, pay attention to relative strength. The strength was down here on May 4th. What happened when we got into the these are my observations here. This is average deviations. I want to do this one day with a couple people and teach you how this works, the strength. We'll do historical volatility charts on here, and one day maybe I'll be able to show you that. That would be like lessons like you'd have to pay for. You can't. I'm not going to sit here and teach people average deviation on here, and then you know what I mean? The father and I are still holding Doge. We crazy or looking to do big things? For Doge? It's a shit coin. I don't really know. Elon Musk has got something up his sleeve, Sean. That's all I can tell you. Elon Musk has something up his sleeve with Dogecoin. I don't know what it is, but it is a bullish action, so I will give it to you. But at the same time, Dogecoin reminds me of a shit coin, and it bothers me a lot. The relative strength index chart, though, getting back onto MATIC, I'm ecstatic. You have to pay attention to this action. I do see this bullish move. I do see this action coming up. I'm kind of excited about it. We're going to have to pay attention to the relative strength index. We're going to have to pay attention to a couple different things. Let's go to Bitcoin again. As I told you, Bitcoin is moving, and then it fell back down again. So it did give some false hope here. Let's pay attention. The forwardly we had turned green. If you pay attention, we turned green, and all of a sudden, whatever this price is here, there is something going on. There is resistance that is being built here. Oh, this is very, very, very interesting. I have not seen this yet, so this is new. This is really new for me. Very, very new for me right here. What am I talking about? I'm talking about the resistance that we seem to build here at the 36. The 36.35 is somewhere here, and I do see it now. Notice that? Let me zoom out here and pay attention. This 36.35 that I keep talking about to everyone, this seems to be really coming into play a little more than I thought. What am I talking about? Well, if you lift up a little higher, you'll see the 36.5. This was up here, but I don't like the 36.5 as much as I like the 36.3. Big fucking deal, right? 200 difference. I don't know what it is. There's something going on here. There's something going on with the Bitcoin price with these candles that touched on the forwardly. So 4, 8, right? That's literally 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Okay. 16, 17 candles, right? That's a decent amount of candles that we've established something here. What do I see on these candles? As I keep telling you, this W here, that is definitely showing some type of bullish action. How can we remain bullish? How can we remain bullish and still fall? Because that's an awesome question right there. You see this right there. Stop. Hammer time. Now look what I'm talking about. Put the price action. Fuck it. The price action told me 34.5. 34.5, I have found some type of support. They're very, very recent support, nothing crazy. Because this market is so volatile, you have to have some type of recent support to help your theories of the W coming. So if you pay attention to here, I have some type of support that comes down, boom, right, once. Back up, boom, hung out, boom, came back down the green, up, goodbye. Then you see here at this price action, 35.5. That's a more important price. The 35.5, for whatever reason, what was the prices we were going through? This was the main important prices I wanted everyone to pay attention to, the up and the down. All right, so let's go to the right here. This was my main. That's one of my mains right there. I'll show you in a second. This is very important because these are the prices we're going to look at before I get off and we go to bed. Because if you don't pay attention to these, you're going to get burnt. You're going to get burnt the fuck up, and you're going to be really upset. These two candles here, action. These candles here, action. These candles here on the bottom, if you see them, and then on top here, action. All these candles have a lot of action. If you pay attention, look, action. Action. So there's a lot of action at the 38. If you look exactly, what price are we at for the Bitcoin? This is the Bitcoin on the forwardly. There's a lot of action at the 38.4. The 38.4, it's dying to break the fuck out. If we break out, now, I like this price because we keep getting stuck here. There's a lot of different prices down here, I understand. This is one of them down here that we fell. If we break through the 33.3 or the 33,000 in general, say goodnight. That's definitely going to be such a bearish scenario. We break through here, we're so bear. Breakthrough point. I would be putting a short position in like crazy. Put it in. Put it in. You hope you got one before there, I understand. But the fact is, at this point in time, you cannot fight the bears at that point. You would probably see 27,000, 25,000 after that. These are the next steps. 1,000%, you're going to see the 30. Then you're going to go, holy shit, what's happening? Before you know it, we'll be falling down. The sky will be falling again past here. That's why you can't break the 30. If you break the 30, you're going to be driving. You're going to be riding dirty. Going to be riding dirty. Doge dropping on Coinbase 2 to 4 weeks. Yeah, I heard Dogecoin was coming next for Monday, so I'm tired of hearing all the excuses and all the people bullshitting. TKO, anything that comes out of you, I'm listening. You're the man. The thing is a lot of people have been talking a lot of shit. I can't wait to see it come on there. I know it's coming. I just don't know exactly when. I have to research it. You're probably right, TKO. Thank you, my man. Stan with a plan. But until I see it or see it myself, I won't believe it. What's going on? We're going to fall down here. I do expect to fall to the 34.5 mark. If we do fall to the 30, this is what I'm trying to explain to you. Don't go down there now. If we fall to the 34.5, if we hit the 34.5 on this right here, we are still going to be bullish. This could be the end of the month. Understand what I'm trying to tell you now. Look at the price. Look at the date. Look at the date. June. Just move it over. 34.5 right there. June 1st. Boom. Here it is. Ladies and gentlemen, do it easy. June 1st, we get this wick. You understand me? It could be literally that simple. It could happen before then. We have to see what's going on in this wick. This is the wick of the June month. This is very important. I want to see what happens here. Like I said, this is an upward W. I do see that action. I do see that price coming through. Like this channel. He likes this channel. You're new to this, my man, Will? Oh, Will in the house. What's good, brother? My man. Will, if you like this, hit that like, subscribe, my brother. You're going to love it a lot more. We talk about mental focus. We talk about getting healthy. We talk about our guns. We talk about we need to get our guns up. We talk about positivity with the music. Have a good morning. Have a good night. Stop screaming and yelling in your house to negativity. We talk about a lot of good things. Bitcoin's falling right now. Pay attention. Definitely the mother effing mention. If you don't know, I have a pension and I want to get it all out so I can definitely buy more Bitcoin. Short it, buy it, try it. As time goes on, I will start showing a little bit of KuCoin. I'm going to start showing you some KuCoin, some shorting the markets and having you understand. I'm not touching BTC, focused on stacking altcoins during the mixed phase. Good job, my brother. I like it. Definitely good information. High school graduate. I like it. I do. I like what he's saying. He's basically saying he's going to stack his altcoins and he's not going to fall in this mix. But you could short this and make a lot of money. You could also long it and make a lot of money, but you could also lose a lot of fucking money. So you got to pay attention. That's why I always talk about being long on my channel, because I don't want people to lose their shirts What's going to happen here is we could continue to get this fall. I said we're going to get this fall. These are forwardly candles. In the next 3 hours and 33 minutes, that's 12 o'clock midnight for me. Midnight, we'll get the next candle. Don't you understand? And then what happens next? Well, then the next day is the 31st of May. The 31st of May, you'll see what's going on. I literally just watch this happen here. This is where we got to pay attention to. This is the MATIC. The next candle, if it does not turn green on my next candle, and I'm telling you right now, I can write it down. This right here, I'm going to put it there. Next candle at 12 o'clock. I'm going to wake up at midnight. 12 midnight. Has to break out. That's it. This candle at midnight has to break out. The next candle at midnight has to break out on Poly. If it does not, I'm in trouble. Pay attention to everything that it's coming through. I'm sold on the relative strength index chart right now. Why? Because I want to see this W form. I want to see this W go like this. Boom in your room and see your mother effing soon. That's possible, and that's what I think is going to happen here. Let's get some other indicators. What do I like to use? This is one of my favorites that I kind of made up. Oh, shit. Wow. Very, very, very bullish to me. This is very, 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 very bullish to me. Holy shenanigans. Wow. So the last time we were in this situation, I want everyone to pay attention to this chart. The last time we were in this situation, where were we? Where were we where see the three fucking lines lining up like they're fish in the sea? Under the sea. You see these three lines? The resistance, the support, the buy. Do you see this shit? Wow. We have to go back to where we've seen this again. Pay attention to where they are. We got the buying power on the bottom, support in the middle. So the buying power is on the bottom. The support was in the middle, and we got a big price action move. But look what happened the last time these three were moving together like this, before they crossed. Let me see, hold on. Resistance went through up. Where does the resistance go through up? The resistance went through up right here. And then what happened? If you pay attention to this area right here, this was May 5th. May 5th before we got this nice spike up. If you notice, the resistance came down and shot, which dropped the price. It dropped the price. And then we got some boring sideways, high volatile waves coming before we got the price action up. And then what happened? We shot through the roof, and then the resistance finally did come up. With now, if you pay attention, look at the resistance going up, 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 up. This is the highest resistance we've had here. Then if you come across, the resistance has done nothing but slightly be falling. I do see some price action coming up. I see my buying power getting ready to curve and come up. Let's go to the hourly. Let's see. There it is. So there's my buying power on the hourly. We're just looking at the forwardly. This changes. This is the MATIC Polygon. I'm very interested and sold on it because look at this resistance coming back down in the next few minutes. And then if you look at this, the support is up with the buying power right where we want it. It's a really weak ass upward W. But I think that we're still bullish. I personally do. Hit that like button. What is it? What is what? Oh, man, I wish I could help you. You got to be a little more specific when I run to it. We're falling. There's 1,000% in my mind, not in my mind that we're falling. This is what's happening. Pay attention, definitely to mention 35.6 was the last time I seen the price. 35.3. So we're now trading 35.3 on the Bitcoin price. Something's going on, and I do believe that it's exactly what I said. I'm kind of excited. Pay attention to this. Let's get rid of this mess. Let's start getting rid of the mess and start cleaning up what I'm talking about so people could see where we're going. I said to you the 34.5 was coming. That wouldn't surprise me. Now, let me see what the fuck we're doing. That's hilarious. It's I'm doing something right now. And of course, what does it say? All right, so now what we're going to get here is I do see this happening. And you know what? People call this a downward M. What am I talking about here? I'm talking about a downward M. Honestly, this is what the fuck people see. Okay? I see a rejected. That's what I see. I see a rejected downward M. But if you look here, right here, watch this. It's weak. It's a weak downward M. That may happen. Bring us all the way to the 34.5, like I just said. And then now what do you see here? Well, you got your M, your downward M. It wasn't so significant. And then it came through and it created a shoulder. So it did. There was an inverted thing here going on. I do see it. It's possible. This is scary, though, because we could be... No, this is looking beautiful. This is looking beautiful. All right, I'm done. Let me reverse everything, remove everything, the Bitcoin price. What is this? Well, shit. This is the hourly. What does the hourly look? Well, it wasn't such a beautiful cup and handle. What's going on, Beats? What's good? I'm trying to break this down, and I'm trying to help you understand what we're doing. Okay, we're forming this cup and handle. I think nobody sees. I think nobody sees this cup and handle. Wow! Holy shit! Yeah, look at this cup and handle. What? Look at this. Look at this cup and handle. What? You guys see this? Am I like the only one seeing this right now? Look at this cup and handle. Holy shit. Ladies and gentlemen, start your engines because damn Sam, we about to begin. If you didn't see this cup and handle formation, then you need to go hang out with Stevie Wonder and fucking Wonder. You make Wonder Bread Wonder because damn, this is I'm excited. I'm fucking excited. And that's why I can't drink alcohol. Oh, sorry, I'm not going to squeeze that in your ear. Wow. This cup and handle is real. I think we may fall. I don't know how we're going to get this cup and handle on the beginning of the month. You know what I'm thinking? And let's go to this. Let's do something really quick. This is the Bitcoin price. And now you see the two cup and handles forming. Yes, we're excited. You know what? It just makes me believe that really this is coming. This is coming more than ever. Honestly, I just can't help it. Really going to see that type action. The upward W, as long as we stay there, as I told you, it's got to stay the 34.5 price. The 34.5 price, I don't expect the W to be down that far. Look, we're right on it. So that's what I'm trying to tell you. I do see this, even though there's a cup and handle forming. That may just end the W all in together. There may not be nothing here. This is wonderful. A lot of people said 27,000. We're scared. It's still possible. All of that's still possible. Definitely. What is MATIC doing? Well, I bought some MATIC. I'm holding on to it here. I do expect to buy some more MATIC down here. It's going to do the same thing. MATIC is definitely trying to do the same shit. If you pay attention, though, I think it's going to not fall as hard and have an upward momentum sooner. Let's get to the Bitcoin. We haven't done Bitcoin RSI, right? I don't think we've done that. Let's definitely pay attention to that. That's kind of important. All right, let's see here. Tiki's going crazy. Let's see all my lines there. Looking good. All right, so we're looking great here. So now pay attention to this. This is the same thing what the price was doing, right? And then when we broke the neckline, it looked really good. Well, this is what happened. So now you have to look at the relative strength. The relative strength is up here. And then what's this peak of this one? Well, it's here. What is that? That's a downward W. Well, expect to hit the 40 on the relative strength. Well, what the fuck are we looking at? We're looking at an upward W. Hello? Anybody home? This is not very possible. I'm talking shit. This is going to happen. Buy the dip, have a sip. Now your dollar. Let me fix something here. You buy the dip, have a sip. A dollar cost average in. You don't just keep fucking buying the dip. Now watch. This is what I'm talking about. Buy the dip, right? Buy the dip, and now someone's going, "You're an asshole," because now we're down here and you bought the dip and look where the price is, right? Look where the price is. You're an asshole. Why would you buy up there? Your dollar cost average in, so now you buy here. Now you buy here. So now what happens when we're up here doing this type of shit? Hello, you sell up here. That's why you buy the dip. I had somebody tell me, ignorant as hell, tell me that wasn't a great suggestion to someone. Stop doing it. Well, the trend is your friend. No shit. Well, what happens when the trend becomes your friend and you're going to fuck up? Oh, all of a sudden the world is good again, right? I see how you are. You're a fucking you're a weather fan. Basically, when everything's going fucking in your favor, that's how you are. That's fine. I've been with those people before. I know who those people are. No worries. I'm not worried. Are you worried? Nope, not at all. Pay attention to the Bitcoin price. For some reason, I can't zoom out no more. That's a shame. Wow, that's it. I would really, really, really have to go. This is Bitcoin. Holy shit, I've never seen this before. Wonder why it won't let me zoom out more. That's interesting. So, but I'm just trying to show people like the whole body of this thing. I want people to understand that this is so important. Look at this. Look at this time. All the way to January. I want to go to January. I want people to understand what's going on because some people are fucked up still in their head. All right. And this is before I leave. I'm just going to leave you off with this. So 28,000 January 3rd. There's obviously a lower price here. What is it? It's 28, just about 27. So let's just say 27.8. That's fair to say. The nephews are loving the show. Yeah, just tell him don't curse like Wall Street Pete. He's not a good role model as far as cursing. Thank you. I appreciate all the love. But Anwar, just tell him, if you're watching, kids, and I'm cursing, don't listen to this jerk. Don't curse. You're not cool. You're not cool. I'm just telling you, kids, right now, you're not cool if you're cursing. I'm just a dingbat that likes to curse, and I have a bad anger problem. So if you listen to me and you see me curse, I don't think I'm cool. It's just who I am. Don't change who you are. If you don't curse, don't start cursing to be like me. Now, I'm opening this up, and I really want people to understand that the price of 34.4 is my bounce number. All the effing way from this time frame. So that's why I wanted to do this. I wanted to tell you because look at the date. January 7th, January 5th, we were here. This was Happy New Year. We started the New Year's all over again. If you look into this, you'll pay attention and see that this is the Bitcoin chart. The forwardly, we are so due. We are so over effing due that we played around here. Elon's emotions. He fucked with everyone, right? We had a nice roller coaster ride. Now look at some of the price action we had. 65,000. What a wonderful time. Yeah, I'm glad they understand because it's not cool. Just ask for $50 to buy MATIC. That's fucking hilarious. Oh god. So what's I'm dying laughing. It's funny as hell. Shout out to Sophia and Gabriel. Listen up, Sophia, Gabriel, you have a wonderful life ahead of you. Be smart. Your uncle will guide you. Anwar uncle, he will shed the light to you, as the Arabic term of Anwar means to shed light. That's really cool. You have a cool name, Anwar. And talk to Magician Beats. He'll teach you some stuff too on the streets. He's a smart man. Maxwell, what's good, brother? What's up, Pat? Come Christmas, no one will remember this. No doubt. Patrick, if you weren't correct, my man, stand with the mofo plan. What is happening here, ladies and gentlemen? This is the biggest mother effing roller coaster ride you ever seen in your mother effing life. This is it. I don't know if people truly understand what is going on. Like, I really don't know. I think you're just mentally fucked up. And now I'm back to cursing. This is who I am. I'm sorry. Sell your Bitcoin. Yeah, okay. I'm not logged into my broker account. Good thing, because I'd have been fucking pissed off if I tried to do that. Look at the yellow line, okay? So see the yellow line? Yeah, just dollar cost average in. Don't do it all your money like I just did. I bought it all at $1.85. I'm going to buy more. But it was stupid because I knew that I could have dollar cost averaged in and not get it all at $1.85 and keep getting it cheaper. So I'll put another 1,000 in later. It is what it is. I just wish I waited and did 505 now. That would have been the time to do it. It's okay. I just got excited, and that's what emotions kick in. Pay attention to high volatility waves. This is the year of 2021, okay? This is the year of 2021. I'm trying to break down Bitcoin to you in the year of 2021, the bullshit 2021 we had, 2020 really. We're going to have a good 2021 in the sun. Let's go, as the weather sucked this fucking weekend. Everyone was on Memorial Weekend trying to make plans, going to the beaches, trying to go all the places to do some fun stuff, and it sucked. Well, here's our 2021 if you see January. Since then, This has been our ride. It's a free roller coaster ride, Dorney Park. Great adventure. It is what it is, right? Buy the dip, have a rip. It is what it is. You got to do these things. Pay attention to this high volatile wave action. We had some real boring sideways action here. Usually you go up. Well, we did the opposite. So now expect to have some boring sideways action here. And then what we're going to get is here up and then down. You're going to get more high volatility. You're going to get more. You're going to get more. And then finally it should happen to where you get that little breakdown and come up, and then before you know it, guess what? We're on our way to 100K, and we're going to be screaming, let's go. We're beaming to the moon soon. So I don't really want to make it down. I really don't want to make this video any longer than it should be, but that cup and handle, that double, that... Wow, this is a W. If you understand, this is an upward W formation. That's where we look for W's and M's. I don't know if people understand that. Now, Ethereum. I want to talk about Ethereum because Ethereum is very clearium to me that something's going down, something's going to happen. So before I leave, I wanted to break this down. I'm going to change this to Polygon, MATIC, and Ethereum. It seems like those three were the ones we went over. Very important tokens, not even token coins. Some of them are coins, some of them are tokens. There's a big difference between the two. A lot of people didn't know that. Maybe that's another time for another day. I really don't feel like discussing that right now. On the weekly, though, pay attention to the weekly, definitely to mention. We didn't do any singing. I apologize. I always do singing. We always get excited. Definitely, right? Tell you you're invited. It's a great day. Pay attention to this. This is important. This is the weekly. June 1st, I do expect this big wick up. I was trying to show people that's going to happen. Definitely pay attention to this right here. This price is 2009, so it's about the 3,000. So right roughly about the 3,000 Bitcoin price. There will be some very bullish action once we can break through there. Right now, we're 2,350. It's on sale. Don't go too crazy because the trend is your friend. Polygon is holding up well. Engine was just $1.64 about an hour and a half ago. If you go to the engine, yeah, we definitely got some downward action here. I see it was falling. Get rid of all this shit if you have to, but I'm not even going to go over it. There's Cardano. I'm just trying to show everyone what the weekly looks like. You go over a couple of them. VeChain. They're all very similar. Every one of them are following each other. The Harmony token, right? The Harmony token's down. VThor's green. There you go. You got to pay attention to some of this stuff. I'm a big VThor guy. So if you didn't know that, if you look here on the weekly, these are all weekly. We've been really on a downward trend spiral here for weeks. And, you know, it's really keeps happening. But look how different this one is. VThor is definitely on a different track than most of everything else. You know what I mean? It's really clear to see. They're similar. They're all similar. There's VThor again, right? Very similar, but they're both green. So you got to pay attention to that on the weekly. It's a little more bullish. It's coming. Chainlink 2.0. I do expect something. What's going on here with the Chainlink? We're just breaking down before we get off. We're doing a squirrel action. Look at this, right? Upward. We're going to continue that chart, that trend. We'll come down through here, boom. And then what's going to happen is the price action is going to go so high up through here when we land this plane, and it's going to just come up. You're going to form that cup and handle that we see, and it's just going to do that W now. Now it's an upward W, and now everyone is going to be singing Christmas in July. For the kids that are listening, it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys for everyone. It's beginning to look to see that the holiday will be. It's going to be Christmas in July, everyone. I'm trying to help you understand as I sing stupid Christmas songs now. Yep, buying more Cardano too. RJ, true that, Pete. Super similar charts across the market. Yes, 1,000%. That's part of what I'm trying to teach, what I'm trying to preach. Before I got off, big boy stanker, anchor, motherfucking tanker. That's what he is. The plane is trying to find something here. Then we should be getting that cup and handle action where you can get some more satisfaction. Like a lot of people said, some of this action here, we're not even going to talk about no more. We're not going to see no more. Even XRP. I mean, I remember when this was 28,000 in February. 28,000 in February. Want to go to February? Want to test me? 28,000 in February. 28,000 in February. I remember when it was 28,000 in February. You know why? Because I'm a fucking lunatic. That's why. I bought it on Year Finance, 28,000. What else? B&B is the cheap mofo right now. BNB Binance is on the cheap. Everything is exactly the same. If you pay attention, the manipulation is so fucking real. It's full of steel. Basic attention token, Dogecoin. They're all the fucking same. What's going to happen when we get this price action up? Oh boy. I can't wait for the month of May to be done. I'm not kidding. Month of May needs to end like right now. I'm sick and tired of looking at it, ladies and gentlemen. Wall Street Peace, Sicto Crypto. Have a great night, though. I do want you to understand that there's going to be some action here. If you look on the weekly of the Bitcoin chart, we are starting now. We are starting to see some old sideways action here. What happened last time in the months we were here and we got this sideways action? Well, if you see, there was bullish action next. I want you to all understand that. Do the growth. Pay attention to the growth. What am I talking about? You can do this here. These are weeklies. So let's start here when we were done going down on that week. If you see, this was what we did. I'm gonna break down Bitcoin to you in a quick second. I want you to understand what I'm going to do here. So this was the month of April 12th. April 12th, I'm going to leave you with a price prediction that's going to shock you, and you're going to go, holy shit. So pay attention to this. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Now watch this. There you go. August. By August, we will be 70K over. It's not even funny. We will be so far above there by August, it's not even funny. We will be right about the 73, 74K. Bitcoin will be looking like a monster. Just trying to tell you right now that this is real on the weekly. I do expect this to happen. We could take a picture of this. You could screenshot this. We can keep it. The chart seems like a bouncing ball to me. It's called high volatility, and it's called shake and bake. It's shaking you out your boots. This is what happens. The whales are strong. The whales will get you out. The whales will make you look silly each week up and down. I mean, look at the price action for real. That's my thought here, where I look at this price and I go, oh boy, you're all the way up here, then you're all the way up here, then you're all the way over here. I mean, this is weeks. Look what we established on the weekly. I want to show you something what we established. We established some type of a 50,000 price action right there, 48.5. I don't know what the fuck 48.5 is representing, but on the weekly, the 48.5 tells me something. The next time on the weekly I see 48.5, I'm going to have my eyes peeled. I'm going to have my eyes peeled strong. This candle here, and here. For some reason, right here, 46.3, 46.2. That's another one. So really, I'm going to pay attention to that. That's my main one. I see it right here. There's definitely something going on here on the weekly for the Bitcoin as I'm getting ready to leave everyone. I know I said that like 10,000 times. Whatever this price is here, what is this? This is huge. 46. Let's confirm it. 45.7. It's really hard to get that price action there. $45.7. There it is. Whatever. I don't know what the fuck. I can't get it. 45.7 is something happening there. 45-ish, right? Yeah, I don't know why this is such a... You know what? I'm telling you, trading view is hard when you look at the weekly. I would say do this, get in a little more, and really understand this wick, because this wick is doing something here. If you see this price action, I would just grab this right here. This will give me the fucking price. This is pissing me off right now. Whatever this is right here, where these wicks hit hard, you got between 46,000 and 45. So we'll go 45.5. 45.5 price, whatever this is right here. This is very, very telling. You'll probably get some type of resistance. Resistance at this price for sure. I was just looking at it, and that's definitely telling me something there. On the weekly, it's really important. Then that's another one to 48.5. 48.5, if we break through 48.5, this is why I'm telling you here. Let's see. Right there, 48.5. If we break through the 48.5 price, if we break through the 48.5 price, it's so bullish. I know this sounds silly. We're 13,000 away from there, Pete. What the fuck are you talking about? It's going all the way to fucking 70K. That's my point. Now you understand what I'm getting at. Now that's a lot higher, right? Now I'm speaking your language. I'm speaking somebody's language now. I know I am, because that's what we wanted to get at, the 70K. That's how we're going to get there. That's how we're going to do it. Pay attention to that. I know this is getting boring. It is boring. It gets boring to me sometimes. Wall Street, Pete Sicto in crypto. Can't see me? What do you mean you can't see me? I'm so confused. Can't see you, Pete. The fuck does that mean? So you got to understand here that this is happening. What's going on, Marcos? We're down here. I don't really expect to go down further from here. Pay attention to the Bitcoin dominance. Pay attention to all of your things that are helping you. If you look here, well, this was a fall. This was a nightmare. We landed the plane. We've got some support, some stability here. It's starting to show maybe some action on the way up now. That's what you got to pay attention to. Look at that. That's crazy. The last time we were here, if you had noticed, the last time we were here, and I'm going to go show you here. What happened the last time we were here? No, I'm just curious. I'm going to ask some people the history of the Bitcoin dominance. Anybody for $1 million want to answer this question? Anybody for $1 million last time we were here? What happened last time we were here? What happened the last time we were here? What happened the last time we were here? Yes. That's really bullish. That's really good. I want to see what this is. Oh, shit. I didn't even notice that. I did not notice this is the Bitcoin dominance on the weekly. Shit, in a few weeks, it looks like the Bitcoin dominance is definitely looking to rebound here. We're definitely going to be bullish. If anybody was wondering what kind of a bear market we may be falling into, you need to hit the like and subscribe. What's up, Pete? Keeping your diamond hands? No, I was starting to short Bitcoin and making some money doing it. And if you did it now, you're making money right now. That's only going to happen for so much more, as I told you. Pay attention to the Bitcoin price, what we're doing. We're going to get some rising wedge here. I do see a descending triangle on here. That kind of fucked me up right now, and I'm kind of concerned for it. If you look at this right now, and I don't know why I see this on the Bitcoin, but I do. I see a descending triangle forming, and I don't know how this happened. It's not bullish to me. The only way we're going to get bullish is if we break above that 40 there, so I don't see that happening right now, but pay attention to the prices that I throw up. I'm not a registered financial advisor, but I do love this for the entertainment. This is nothing. This is just about where we're at now. We have seen this price before as we went over it just about. Lower it, and we're just fucking beating a dead horse. That's all. So pay attention to this price here coming down. I do expect to bounce off and have an upward W eventually. This is the end of the month. The contracts expire. Basically, like I said, it's just a repeating thing here going on. Elon Musk bought, I'm sure he did, 34,000. He bought a fucking 50. Didn't he buy a 50? When did he buy? February 8th. Elon Musk bought at February 8th on this price. He bought at, wow, they said on the 1st. So they just bought more at the same price again. Imagine that. Imagine that. This is where Elon Musk bought, Tesla bought. I just want to remind everybody, just in case you don't know, Tesla. Just so you know, that was what happened here. So we're here again, and we have never been here since this time frame. So just do your technical analysis, do your fundamentals, talk to your network, understand the game. There's some things changing here. It's definitely happening. There's something's going on. I wish I could understand it better myself. The whales are getting stronger, and that's just going to keep happening. We're at the $1.85 on the MATIC again. It's looking pretty bullish. What did we not go over? The EMA. Let's go over the EMA before I leave. I do want to pay attention to the EMA exponential moving average before we get the hell off, because like I said, I usually leave a bullish and a bearish action. I don't see much more bearish. The only thing that would show me this is next, and this is definitely what I want to show you what can happen on the bearish, because this is definitely coming truthful to me. Stop right there at the 38.8, even before there, right there, and then it's going to fall down, stop here, and then we're going to get into June, and that's what you're going to see. I'm confident with this action, like very, 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 very confident. I see something coming down through this support line that we seem to have established now. That's what it's going to be. There's going to be resistance up here. What is up here? Well, this is probably a price action very similar to what we talked about, the 40,000 level. So this is what I'm saying. There's going to be something happening. We're going to have to break through here. Look at where we've been at. Tesla bought. Just a reminder for everyone. Hit the like and subscribe. You think we will drop below 33 by tomorrow. So yes, there's an opportunity for that. There's a huge opportunity for that. Look at the 29,000. Right here on this price, I think there's a huge chance for this. 29.4 tomorrow. When we do this, we could see 25,000. That would fucking be a bearish trend. We would be in a bearish market at that point if we do break through here. Everything we've done since then has significantly been lost. I can't see this happening. There's no way. We break this. If we go lower than the 27, now this is why some people are talking about this price. It's really important. I'm talking about 27. Everyone's fucking talking 25. You can kiss my ass. I don't want to see any lower than, I don't want to see this. Nobody wants to see this. But the point is a lot of people are like, oh, 25. Well, guess what? I say fucking 27. That's what I said. Too bad. That's what that's my thought. You don't have to have the same as me. If we all had the same thoughts, we'd be the fucking same. We'd be pretty boring. 27,000 I see somewhere here. That's a possibility. That's going to suck. But then again, that would be that big bounce coming up I would see next. And then you would form some type of upward W. And then you would get that. So pay attention to here on the W. It would be a rising trend at that point. This would be an inverted head and shoulders official. Left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder, depending on where we are in the pattern. That's what you got to pay attention to. There's a lot of things going on here. There's too much going on. This is very busy. I apologize, but this is how we do some of the shit. Great question, Marcos. I really think that was a good question. Yes, I do believe that that's a possibility. I may have to get some of the MATIC out and not get crushed. We'll see what happens. Either dollar cost average in. All we would be doing is dollar cost averaging in for one more day. Does everyone understand that? One more day, and then we're back up to play. So I really don't understand if that's something you're thinking about. I know that the month of June we're going to be bearish, not bullish again, upwards. So pay attention to that. All right. So Wall Street Pete, Sicto in crypto. I thought you'd know. Have a wonderful night. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Peace in and peace out, O-Town. As I say goodbye to everybody, pay attention to the levels that we could fall. Pay attention to the prices that we could jump up to. I'm looking at that 38,000, and I'm paying attention to the 38.5 strong. I'm closing my eyes as I'm envisioning the chart in my brain. I'm paying attention to all that stuff. So everybody have a good night. If we do fall down to the 30,000 price, 33,000, pay attention more as we proceed to fall down each step. It's going to suck. And then I told you, June 4th, June 5th, I expect the Bitcoin price to be at the 45,000, 50,000. Okay, so I'll write it here, make everyone happy. If you want to just engrave it in stone, leave it alone, Bobby, Bobone. Here it is, June 4th and 5th. I've been saying this for how long now, ladies and gentlemen? I think I've been saying this for a really long time. Really long time. Prediction to be around the 45,000 BTC level. That's what I've been telling people. That's what I've been really sticking to my guns. I don't jump around the price predictions here. Have a great night, everyone. Sicto in crypto. I thought you'd know. Make sure you hit the like button at the end of this video. If this has helped you, please, I need your help. We got to get the algorithm going through the roof here. We got to keep it moving and grooving. Peace in and peace out. O-Town. Wall Street Pete, I love you guys. Have a good night. Ladies and gentlemen.